Listen. There grows a magic in the farms of my eyes, of curiosity of the alien directions. There descends the food on my ears of unheard sounds, and my feet have to stamp their prints on the unravished dust of some unrevealed planet. My nose is alive with an urge to inhale fragrance of some alien soil, and tongue is fasting with a yearn to taste the dithering juicy fruit of shadowy trees rooted in the fertile soil of some unexplored planet. From the earth to space, I have to lay a network of the radiant roots. I have come to you after doweling my defiant horse of brilliance, and placing my feet in its poppers. To ride on its saddled back is my dream. I know that often dreams grow on the tassels of impossibilities. I have to scatter the seed of life in the celestial regions of the universe, sitting on the horse of brilliance. For life is unaided and in the claws of death. I am faithful to the earth. Oh, my beloved, speak. End quote. Would you accompany me? End quote.